We are here today on the 3rd of September 2021 to witness and officiate the 14th graduation ceremony of Nkabune Technical Training Institute here in Meru County. Today we have conferred certificates, diplomas, as well as artisan certificate courses to over 700 graduates. I want to thank the chair and the board, the principal and the management of Nkabune TTI, together with all the trainers, the parents, the guardians and the sponsors, and indeed the government of Kenya and the ministry for enabling us realize this training towards the culmination of the graduation ceremony today. TVET is the way to go in our education sector, because not only are we sure of our graduates getting jobs, but also they are able to become entrepreneurs, create employment and create jobs. So TVET is very key in terms of reducing the unemployment rate. It's also within the transformative agenda of the youth in this country to ensure that they are positively engaged and they are contributing to the socio-economic development of this country. For us to be able to realize at global level the SDGs, for us to be able to realize at the regional level the AU Agenda 2063, and for us to be able to realize at the national level the Vision 2030 towards industrialization, towards manufacturing, and making Kenya a middle income country, we have to be able to provide the necessary skills that are required by the labor market. We are glad that as a government we have increased access and equity. We have now ensured that each and every constituency at least has a technical training institute, and we are moving towards ensuring that each county is able to have a national polytechnic. And we are also creating pathways for our TVET graduates so that they can move from certificate up to the PhD level. Of course, it might take longer, or even from diploma to a PhD level. I just want to congratulate all the graduates today. I wish them the very best. Go out there, offer your very best, be entrepreneurs, employ others, and transform this nation. Let's achieve the Big Four agenda together. We have concluded for the agricultural sector through the Kenya National Qualifications Authority, working together with Egerton University. We have concluded the pathway for our TTI graduates within the agricultural sector. We are now moving to other sectors, including tourism and hospitality, as well as ICT and others. So that's the far that we are in. As it relates to our technical trainers, we also have begun reforms in terms of ensuring that we are able to improve on their schemes of service, as well as their various needs, especially after they moved from the Teacher Service Commission to the Technical Training Institute. So one of those that we are working on to establish is the Technical Trainers Authority that will be able now to take into our technical trainers' needs, be able to create a pathway for them to move from one grade to another, and ensure that their remuneration also are well catered for. So we are consulting with the Public Service Commission, and we believe we will be able to realize this. The Higher Education Loans Board, we all are aware that we have provided access for all our technical trainees to be able to get loans from the Higher Education Loans Board. Because as a government, we are giving each capitation of Kenya shillings 30,000 per year. The balance of 26,000, they're able to access it through Higher Education Loans Board. Equity is also coming on board. KCB Foundation is also coming on board. And we believe we'll also work together with Safaricom Foundation and others so that we not only are able to open doors for our youth to our TTIs, because we have the facilities and the equipment, but we are also able to provide the necessary financing that is required for them to get the skills that can be able to drive the manufacturing and industrialization in this country.